Okay, this is exercise 5-23 in the textbook, and we're going to be using the chamfer tool. Now, the chamfer tool basically adds an angled line at the corners of a polygon. We have a rectangle here, which is a polyline or polygonal shape, and the chamfer tool, you may recall, is hidden under the fillet icon on the modify panel of the home ribbon. If you type CHA, that's the shortcut key for chamfer. All right, we have polyline, distance, angle, trim, method, multiple. If we select polyline, then it's going to apply the chamfer to all four corners. We'll use the distance method, and we'll say the first distance is 0.25, so I'll hit enter, and the second distance is 0.125, so I'll say enter, and then it says select the 2D polyline, and there it is, it selected the 2D polyline. But notice it trimmed out all the corners. Here it did not. So I'm going to undo. Okay, and we're going to try this again using not the polyline method, just so you can see a different way of doing it. So I'm going to go chamfer. I'm going to do angle. Okay, and I'm going to say a 30-degree angle. And so the first line will be 30. And then I'm going to select the first line, and it says 30 is too long. So I'm going to have to pick a different angle. I'll say 5. And I'll say angle. I'll say 5, 5. And it still doesn't like it. And let me come over. I'm gonna do a line like that. See if that works better. So I'll go chamfer. I'm gonna go angle. I'll say 5, 5. It's still saying the chamfer distance is too large, meaning that I won't have enough material left. There we go. So there's the 5 degree, and see, that's why it was giving me that error, that 5 degrees was just not gonna do it for me. I'm gonna undo. I'm gonna do the chamfer again. This time I'm gonna do an angle of 60 and 60. And again, it says the angle is too large. So you kind of have to be cognizant of that. And now I'm going to do the no trim. So I'm going to go chamfer. And right now it's set to trim. I'm going to click on where it says trim. Notice I can go no trim. And then I'm going to go distance. And I'm going to go enter and enter and polyline. And select that polyline, and notice it did not trim out the corners. And notice also that it kind of rotated the chamfer distance as it went along the polyline. So you kind of have to be mindful when you're using the chamfer, but it can be an excellent tool.